Hello there, this is Philip Nylinger, KA4KOE, and this is another episode of Astounding Radio Adventures with KA4KOE and the Shack Time Forgot, courtesy Jeff Murray, K1NSS. Contact Jeff for all your QSL card and ham radio art needs. Highly recommended, personal friend, he's a good guy. So, I've been cleaning up in here and finally got my monitors on the wall. I know the exposures in here are going to be kind of funky. So we got two Samsung 28-inch U28E590Ds. I used Gator products, I don't remember the exact name of the product, to hang these. Got a 1x4 on the wall that I use for that. That got attached to the wall back here. I'm going to attempt to get a shot back here. Let's move the speaker out. Still haven't mounted the speakers in here. Okay, let's open up the exposure. You know, all the ugly stuff is behind, and sometimes it's in front when I'm on camera. So anyway, these are two Bose speakers from my brother Eric, KK4TBR. Here's the Collins 30L1. Yes, Philip's telling us what to come by and steal. The Flex 6300, Flex, the Polestar AT2K. This little old Rolls Class D amp runs the line audio 20 watts to the two Bose speakers. It takes audio from the Flex and from the computer, and we get fairly decent audio in here. There's the other speaker, my current radio I'm playing with, the Hammerlin 140. There's the audio rack. We're soon going to put a Super Senior 8040 in there, a general radio mod monitor. All these work, by the way. Frequency generator, Bauer control panel, and Hewlett Packard Nixie tube frequency counter. Of course, there's the Behringer that we run the audio from the 140 into, and it sounds really nice. Okay, on this side, brand new desk lamp for doing work. There's the workbench with tools on the floor. And there's stuff that's not working. Well, actually, the transoceanic just needs a dial cord. The Collins 390 is blowing B+ fuses. The low opta Veneta, it needs a recapping. The 75A4 is in the hall. It's going to Howard Mills. So we've cleaned up quite nicely in here. Primarily, like I said, this is for our brother Eric, and he wanted to see what it all looked like. So this is the brief shack tour from Philip Nylinger, KA4KOE. Take care.